So, of course, the production of this resource is very controversial and highly political, and there are two main kinds of concerns, and I'll discuss both of them. One is that the greenhouse warming aspects of producing or using hydrocarbon fuels at all, and the issue as to whether or not natural gas makes sense as a transition or a bridge to a lower carbon future. And the other is the groundwater risks that are involved with the production of the shale gas resource. So let me discuss the global warming aspects first. There are two gases that are involved in this case in global warming. One is Ch.2, which you get when you combust the natural gas, which is the whole point of having it in the first place when you use it as a fuel. And the other is the methane that leaks when you produce it. And the methane is a much more powerful greenhouse gas than the Ch.2, so people like my colleague Bob Howarth here at Cornell has made a big point that the leakage of the methane really vitiates the value of natural gas as a transition or as a way to reduce greenhouse forcing on the way towards lower carbon energy sources, and that we're better off simply going with lower carbon energy sources straight from the beginning. I think there are a lot of problems with this argument. First of all, it is a good transition fuel. In fact, I would say it's the biggest single thing we could do to reduce greenhouse forcing. And furthermore, from what has happened naturally already, the development of shale gas that's already occurred, we can see in the reduction of CO2 emissions the benefit from this substitution of gas for coal and perhaps for some oil.